So we're continuing with lesson 16, and we've just defined a client-side show hide expression for the customer ID field to only show it if we're in new record mode, and we've chosen one of the built-in system fields that tell us whether we're in the new record or not. So here's our logical expression. This is either going to be true or false, and if it's true, then we're going to be displaying the customer ID field. Otherwise we won't be. So now let's go over to working preview and click on Maria Anders. Now this is an existing row, so therefore the customer ID field is now hidden. Now let's go back and choose new customer, and now you can see the customer ID field is visible. However, we still haven't defined our rule for the customer ID field, so let's go back to design mode now and go to the customer ID field, and then on the property sheet on the right hand side scroll up until you see data validation. So I'm looking now for validation rules. So on the left hand side, on the right hand side here in field properties, you can see validation rules. So what we want to do is define a validation rule. So click on the smart field, and we want to enable rules, and we want to require a value, and we can type in now a custom error message, and I'll just go here and say customer ID is required. Then go ahead and click the OK button, and you can see that the property is now shown in bold to indicate that we've actually defined something here. So the validation rules here, in this case we only chose a simple require rule, but there's some pretty powerful rules that you can define here by using this this builder, and we'll come back to it a little later in this lesson. But all of these rules don't require you to write any code at all. On the other hand, if you want to write your own code, you can go to Validation X Basic, and now you could write any server-side code to validate this field. So let's go now and test out our components. So go back to working preview now, and again I'm going to go to enter new record, to enter the new customer, and I'm going to type in again Jim Smith, and then I'm going to go ahead now and press the submit button, and now you can see that instead of submitting the data to the database and getting an error from the database server, which is not very friendly, we're displaying the error directly to the customer over here. However, since this is a mobile app and not a desktop app, we don't really want the error to be displayed in this form over here. You can see the form that we're displaying it over here is appropriate for a desktop app, because when the user puts their mouse over the icon, they actually get the message, but that is customer ID is required. But in a mobile app, you don't have the there's no such thing as putting your mouse on top of an icon. So let's go back and change the form in which this error is displayed. So we'll go back to design mode now, and then go to properties, and then in the properties section we're going to look for a property called error style. So currently the error style is set to icon, so we're going to change that now to block, and let's test that out now. So we'll go back now to working preview, and then go to new customer and type in Jim Smith, and then hit the submit button, and now you can see that we get the error displayed right next to the control, and it's in there's no need to display an icon and then hover over the icon, which wouldn't work in a mobile app anyway. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.